Good day everyone. In today's computer class, we will cover second part of chapter 3 mail merge. In previous video, we have discussed what is mail merge, why it is used, what are the various steps of mail merge. These are the 8 steps of mail merge. Like select starting document, select document type, insert address block, create salutation, adjust layout, edit document, personalize document, save, print or send. Now we'll discuss these steps one by one. In order to start mail merge, first we need to open OpenOffice Writer. Then you can type any application or letter of your choice which you want to send to your friends or to your colleagues. I have written here an invitation letter like, "Dear, you are cordially invited with your family members on my birthday party as a following program, date, place, time, your friend Arjun." Now I want to start mail merge option in OpenOffice Writer. In menu bar, there is an option Tools. When we click on Tools, we'll see mail merge wizard. Like you can see here, the blue one highlighted, mail merge wizard. When we click on mail merge wizard, it will show a dialog box. The first step is select starting document. In the dialog box of mail merge wizard, the 8 steps are showing over here. The first step is select starting document. It has 4 options. Use the current document, create a new document, starting from existing document, start from a template. Now, as I have created a document, I can use the current document by selecting first option, then click on next. The second step is select document type. What type of document you want to create? There are 2 options, letter, email. Here I have selected letter as I have typed letter over here. Now click on next button. The third step is insert address block. When we click on next button, it will show this dialog box. There is an option select address list. When we click on select address list, it will open up a new dialog box, select address list. There are 3 buttons, add, create, filter, change table. We need to create on add. Then a new address list dialog box will open up. It has various options to type. And here are options customize, find, delete, new. When we click on customize button, it will show you a new dialog box where you can customize your address list element. Like you can delete any element, you can add any element, or you can rename any element. I have selected few of the options of address list element and rest I have deleted. Here you can see which I have selected: title, first name, last name, gender, address line 1, state, telephone, business, email address. Then you need to fill this detail like I have filled over here. Click on new button again to fill the other information. You can add as many as address information you want. I have entered 4 address information. After clicking on OK, a new dialog box, save as dialog box will open up. It will ask you to save this file with the name. I have given data to this data name to this file. Click on save button. It will show you this dialog box. Here the name is data and the table is data. When we click on OK, it will show you mail merge wizard in this form. There is an option select different address list if you want different address list. Otherwise, you can stick to this address list. Then it will show you how address block will show. First title option, then first name, last name, address line, city, zip, whatever information you want in your address block you can select. Then you need to go to fourth option, which is create salutation. The other options from 4th to 8th we will discuss in next video. Till now we have to focus on first 3 steps of mail merge wizard. I will repeat again these 3 steps. First step is select starting document. Once you have created your application or letter, and by clicking on tool option, mail merge wizard option would be there. You can click over here. Mail merge wizard will open up like this. First step is select starting option. You can select your document, then click on next. You will select the type of document you want to create, letter or email. Then you need to insert address block in your document. It will open up a new dialog box. You need to click on select address list in order to create an address list. A new dialog box will open up. Click on add. New address list dialog box will open up. You can customize the elements. After customizing it, you can fill the information. You can fill other information by clicking on new. You can add as many as address information you want to add. After creating the address information, you can save this file with any name. Then click on OK button. Your address list will be added. Now you can select the address block like this. Whatever the format you want, you can select. Then you can go to the 4th step, which we will discuss in next video. I hope you understand first 3 steps of mail merge wizard. Thank you.